It's time to create your very first affiliate link. This is the link that can start earning you money online. Log into your affiliate account. I will use Amazon Associates as an example, but the process is similar on other platforms. Search for the product you want to promote. Click Get Link and copy the unique link provided to you. If the link is too long, use a link shortener like Bitly to make it cleaner and easier to share. Congratulations! You just made your first affiliate link. Next, I will show you the best way to promote it online.